Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Have you ever tried asking for your statement of accounts in a private lending institution because you are planning unta na imong impason ang utang na imuhang giloan but they refuses to do so? Tara, let's talk about this. Disclaimer lang, this is a general information based on Philippine law, not a legal advice for your specific case. When a lending institution is a SEC-registered company, they are bound by Republic Act 9474 or the Lending Company Regulation Act. Under this law, PLIs shall not refuse to give SOA to their borrowers, especially the requesting party wanted to pay the remaining balance in full. Why? Because the law expects that these lending companies has records and are ready to issue documents in order to prove and support their lending transactions. So if you are the borrower and you wanted to get your statement of accounts in order to know pila na lay utang na nahabilin nimo, ang kaning mga lending institution shall not refuse to do so. Ngano man, mo man ay mandato sa balaod na ilagi nang i-produce na ng mga dokumento. In a case decided by the Supreme Court in Metrobank versus Cruz in 2021, the Supreme Court held that the lender shall render a complete and detailed accounting and furnish copy of loan obligation to the borrowers. Also, the Supreme Court rejected the idea of the lender to hide beyond their internal policy na they can no longer trace or keep records of old accounts or they cannot produce it because the court emphasizes that these requested documents were essential in order to determine the outstanding obligation of the borrower. So unsay angay natong buhaton if mo refuse gyud si PLI? Na itulo ka steps na ato ang pwede buhaton. Number 1 is to send a demand letter to the PLI stating unsay imong gustong kwaon karon SOA. Second, in the demand letter, give a short deadline, usually 5 days. And thirdly, if si PLI gyud mo refuse, go to SEC and file a complaint under Republic Act 9474 Section 8. So one important warning para dili ta ma-trap. Number 1 is i-screenshot ginatanan nimong conversation or messages. Second is show you kag proof that you are willing to pay. And thirdly, do not rely on verbal communication. Always ask for written confirmation. This has been Attorney Ken Ruby Mersado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about Philippine and educational laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.